My name is Amber Whitt, and I am a healthcare recruiter here at Focus Staff. I recruit for RNs, LPNs, CNAs, allied healthcare, and I'm here to get them successfully placed in travel positions. I am an RN, so I have been in the role of a DON. I've worked med-surg. I have been all over the field, so I can provide that hands-on care to get them where they need to be successfully from start to finish. Candidates should work with Focus Staff because we focus on the quality of placing you and making sure that we collaborate together the entire way through. I highly enjoy working here because we are a team and a family. My passion is to make sure that every day I build everyone up for success, to make sure that we hold hands from the start to the finish. It's rewarding to place clinicians in the settings that they'll be successful.